Hi, I'm Ben Sochek with Home Downsizing Solutions, and welcome to the Home Downsizing Minute for this week. One of the most common questions that I get from a lot of home sellers is a question of, do I repair my house before selling it or not? And although this is certainly a topic that could take much more than a couple minutes, I'll give you just a brief summary of what I typically tell people. And that is, in my opinion, if a person is going to repair, repair and update a house to sell, then they either need to do everything or do nothing at all. Obviously, if something's easy to do, if someone likes to paint and do some of those things that are easy or easier than some of the other things, then I don't want to discourage that. But otherwise, if a house needs a lot of updating, if it has a dated kitchen, bathrooms, some of those things that most buyers in today's market would consider dated, then I would say do everything or do nothing. Because from my 25 plus years of experience, if a person goes in and puts new floor coverings down, paints, does those easy things or easier things than some of the others, but doesn't do some of the what some would consider small things, like the updating the light fixtures and really modernizing a house so that most of today's buyers would walk in and think everything is nice. What'll happen is a buyer will walk in, they'll see the updates that are done, but then they'll also immediately see the things that are not done. And what that can cause is buyers to wonder what shortcuts were taken in other areas of the updating that was done. And so typically, again, just to summarize, I would either go in and do everything, or I would just clean the house up the best you can and get it in the best as is condition that you can, and try and attract someone that can see the potential in the house, which can be a challenge, but try and attract someone that sees the potential in the house to be your buyer. And of course, there are cash home buyers like Home Downsizing Solutions out there that do not mind that a house is in need of updating and repairs. So if you would like more information on your specific situation and would like someone to take a look at your house, especially to see what a third party would think and give you some feedback on the house, just call our office toll-free 855-291-5005. Again, that's 855-291-5005, or just go to homedownsizing-solutions.com. And if you'd like more information on selling a house and downsizing, just give us a call and get our free book, Home Downsizing Secrets. And again, this is Ben Sochek for the Home Downsizing Minute. Thank you.